Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you how to change your currency settings on Steam using your computer. If you're interested in how I did it, just keep watching and it'll guide you through the process. First things first, launch your Steam application on your device. Once it's open, click on Support, and once you're there, click on My Account. After this, you'll want to select Manage Account Details. Here, you can see your current currency setting. If you've moved to a different country, are living abroad for an extended period, or have a multi-currency credit card, you can update your Steam wallet and store settings to reflect your new location. To do this, click on Update Store Country. Your Steam account's country setting affects what you see in the Steam store, the currency for displayed prices, and the currency of your wallet. When you make your first purchase using a payment method from your new country, you'll have the option to change your store region during the checkout process. When you're making a purchase on Steam, look for a drop-down arrow at the bottom of the text. Click on this arrow and choose the country where you're currently living. And then you'll need to fill out any forms and ask for your information like your address. After submitting the form, exit your Steam application and open it again. When you relaunch Steam, your currency should now reflect the specific currency you chose earlier. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you find it helpful. If you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day. See you in the next one.